rain. Talking thunderstorms this evening. We're down to, I don't know, 10, 15-ish acres. Right over there's the edge of the field. Those are the short rounds. Been a fun day. 8640 took a dump. Hydraulic pump locked up on the front of the engine. Sheared off the pegs on the wishbone that runs that. So had to run and get the 4030. That has another monitor in it. And I'm having some auto steer issues. But hopefully we're getting that worked out. So anyway, fun. The wind's blowing, can't spray, gotta get this done, so that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching.